Hello and namaste to all the viewers that are watching my video right now. Welcome to the channel of Hitesh KS Modding King. So in this channel we are going to upload mainly two type of videos. First one is modding. In modding I'll show you how to install some mods. Sometimes installing a mod is a bit different and a tricky job to do, but no problem, I got you covered, boys. You can learn how to install the mods on this channel free and without spending any single penny. And the next part, which is running high-end games, latest games on the low-end PCs. As a game developer, I exactly know how these games works and how you can configure your game such a way that you can play the game on crappy and low-end PCs. Plus, I'm also going to upload some videos fixing some errors and some bugs present in the game. So, final and the most important part, I'll upload same video in two different languages, Hindi and English, so the people living all around the globe can understand what I am saying all about. दोस्तों जो मेरे को हिंदी में सुन रहे हैं अभी, उनके लिए बता दूं कि मैं हिंदी में भी अपलोड करूंगा और इंग्लिश में भी करूंगा, दोनों जगह मैं करूंगा, तो दिक्कत नहीं, कोई बात नहीं है। अपन आपके साथ है, डरने की क्या बात है। सब्सक्राइब कीजिए अभी के अभी और घंटा बजा दीजिएगा, नहीं तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन जाएगा नहीं, वीडियो मिस हो जाएंगी और कुछ आगे दिक्कत भी पड़ सकती हैं। So guys, this is all for this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification beside the subscribe button. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, stay safe, peace, over and